Hello guys, in this video I will explain about the zoo gift box timing for the different regions of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nigeria. In this video we will explain about the amount of feed and the what are the timings you will able to claim your rewards. If you want to add your country, just comment down below your country name. Now let's move to the timings. So the first gift box will appear on the map at 12:30 UTC. The amount of feed you will get is 396 animal feed and duration of time will be 10 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 6 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 5:30 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 6:30 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 1:30 pm. The second gift box will appear on the map at 14:20 UTC. The amount of feed you will get is 4292 animal feed and the duration of time will be 30 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 7:50 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 7:20 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 8:20 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 3:20 pm. Now our last gift box will appear on the map at 19:05 UTC. The reward will be 1718 animal feed and duration of time will be 15 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 12:35 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 12:05 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 1:05 am and for Nigeria timing it will be 8:05 am. So guys, here in this video I will explain all the necessary details. If you want the quick updates regarding the zoo, just join our Telegram channel. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a like. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.